Lori at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I'm at the Nodin Tools Company booth here, and I have Adam. Adam, you've got something really cool for those of us who like to do a little tiling. Can you show us a little bit about the product?
Yeah, thanks, Lori. So basically what this is, it's for cleaning the grout. After you run grout, it gets all over all the tiles. And normally in America what we do is we have a bucket and we have a sponge. And we're wringing it out, we're changing out the water, we're wringing it out. And this basically cuts your time in half for cleaning. You come back the next day, there's not haze all over the ground. And it's a two-step process. It was developed by my creator here, Yaron from Norway. And we're bringing it to the States. So I can just give you a quick demo of how it works. So you're gonna have your grout on the sponge here and it's all dirty. There's a tray in the bottom. One push gets the grout out, shove it in here, one press, and then you have the perfect amount of water. So what that means is you're not getting a lot of water in the grout there, and also you're not going to wash out the pigments in the grout as well. So save yourself a lot of time.
And of course you won't have the dry hands afterwards after you've been squeezing it and wringing it out into a bucket all the time.
Absolutely, silky smooth.
That sounds great. Adam, to find out more information, where can we go and where can we go to purchase these?
You can go to nodintoolsus.com, which is NODINTOOLSUS.com, and we have all the information on there. You can reach out to us, and we'll be sure to email you back. There's also the bucket is available for sale on that site.
That sounds fantastic, and we'll put the link below. This is Lori at the National Hardware Show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.